Now let's look at our figure 17 21, I believe it is. And we want to look at the branch circuit protection. Now we've looked at services, feeders. Now we're looking at branch circuits. Now notice coming out the gate, the protection devices shall detect and interrupt all values of current that can occur at their locations in excess of their trip rating or melting point. And then you have the branch circuit load listed. You have your protection scheme here, depending on what you use, 240.100A and B. The wiring methods, again, if it's above ground, it's 300.37. If you're in the ground, 300.50. The branch circuit protections in 240.100 for the branch circuit. And then the service conductors coming in, 230.200, 230.202A, 230.42, 230.90, and 230.208, which basically says, systems over 1,000 volts, you get 100% rating. You don't have to tack 125% on or derate the loading of the protected device 80%. And basically, that's just exactly what this figure 17-21 is illustrating.